creating a test sample in Metrc. The look and options you see in Metrc can vary depending on the state you're operating Metrc in, but the functionality of the software is the same. Therefore, the demo you will see in this video may look different from what you will see in your license, and may involve a few different steps, but the functionality of creating a test sample in Metrc will be the same. This training will show the functionality of how to create a test sample for state compliance testing. This is not for creating R&D or voluntary test samples. If you do have any questions on R&D or voluntary testing, then please reach out to the Metrc support line. And of course, please know and follow all the rules and regulations mandated by your state for what testing needs to be completed and at what stage of your product life cycle the testing needs to occur. Start out in the Active tab of the Packages area for a manufacturer's license. The example we are using today will assume a testing facility representative has come to your facility to pull a sample from the product you want tested. They will tell you the amount of product they pulled, and you will then create the test sample in your Metrc license. First, we find the package we want to pull the test sample from electronically and select it by clicking on it. From there, click on the Submit for Testing button. When creating a package in Metrc, you will always have two sides. The left side will be your new package information, and the right side is your source package information. You should always have a source identified for your packages. When creating a test sample, it's a good idea to review the source package listed for package number 1 to ensure that it is the correct package the sample was physically pulled from. The first thing to do in creating the test sample package is to assign the package tag. Next, identify the item. You're merely repackaging the product, so you can click on the Same Item checkbox. Or if you wanted to look up the item, you can do so by clicking on the magnifying glass next to the item rectangle. We're going to click on the Same Item checkbox. Then, enter the quantity and unit of measure. The quantity will be the amount the testing facility representative tells you they pulled from the source package. You will enter the number they tell you. Then, the unit of measure will be the same as the source package, followed by a note. As always, we recommend you enter a note whenever you can in the software, so you have a clear record of the events in Metrc. Then, enter today for the package date. Lastly, enter the quantity taken from the source package that was sampled. It will be the same amount as the new package we are creating. Again, the amount the testing facility representative pulled and reported to you. Once all the information is entered and correct, click on the Submit for Testing button. Here, we see the package was created, with the raindrop icon designating it as a test sample, and the lab testing status is now reporting Submitted for Testing. You can also see the source package here is also reporting Submitted for Testing. Now, once the test sample is created, you will want to put it on a transfer manifest and send it to the testing facility. You should not have test samples sitting around in your license. Once they are created, they should be transferred.